We are going to start from vitamin B1. Its other name is thiamine. And as you can see in the structure of vitamin B1, we need to know the two important rings that we see in the structure of thiamine vitamin. The first one here, as you can see, is our pyrimidine ring, and the other one is thiazole ring. So we can say vitamin B1 contains a pyrimidine ring and a thiazole ring. So as we talked in the previous slide, vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, contains a pyrimidine ring and a thiazole ring. As you know, all the vitamins has an active form, and the active form for vitamin B1 is thiamine pyrophosphate. Its shortened form is going to be the TPP, or thiamine pyrophosphate. It's going to act as a coenzyme in important enzymatic reactions, and the two most important enzymatic reactions that thiamine pyrophosphate is involved in are transketolation and the carboxylation. So the transketolation and the carboxylation are the most important enzymatic reactions we have for thiamine pyrophosphate. You should know the important enzymes that thiamine pyrophosphate plays a coenzyme role for. Here is the list of these important enzymes you should know for your exam. The first one is pyruvate to carboxylase. We have this important enzyme in yeast and bacteria. It is going to convert the pyruvate to acetaldehyde. The second one is transketolase. It is involved in pentose phosphate pathway, and it is important in red blood cells. Keep in mind this very important point because we are going to come back again to this part at the end of the video. And the third enzyme we have here is pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, which converts pyruvate to acetyl-CoA. And the last one is alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, converting alpha-ketoglutarate into succinyl-CoA. I know that memorizing all these enzymes' names for all the vitamins we have is going to be so troublesome for you medical students, but don't you worry.
But don't you worry. Daddy's home.
We got your back, guys, with FlyMedica mnemonics, the ATP mnemonic for thiamine pyrophosphate coenzymes. So how does this mnemonic work? The A of ATP stands for alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, and the T stands for transketolase, and the P here stands for pyruvate decarboxylase, and P for pyruvate dehydrogenase. So remember, thiamine pyrophosphate is essential for these enzymes to function. Now let's talk about the clinical signs of thiamine deficiency in human body. We have beriberi, which is divided into two subtypes, dry beriberi and wet beriberi. The dry type is going to cause peripheral neuropathy, and the wet type is going to cause cardiovascular involvement in human body. So the dry is for neuropathy and wet one is for cardiovascular disease. And the second one we have in thiamine deficiency is Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. It is divided into Wernicke's encephalopathy, which is for the acute phase, and we have the Korsakoff psychosis, which is for the chronic phase. The Wernicke's encephalopathy is going to be known as the triad of symptoms. Here we have the confusion, ataxia, and ophthalmoplegia. And ophthalmoplegia is going to be associated with nystagmus and gaze palsy. And for Korsakoff psychosis, we are going to have anterograde amnesia. So for the ending of our video, I've got a very important test for you medical students. Let's see what it is. It's saying which of the following is the most specific functional test for diagnosing thiamine or vitamin B1 deficiency. Option A, serum alpha-ketoglutarate concentration. Option B, transketolase activity in erythrocytes. Option C, urinary pyruvate excretion, and for the option D, lactate dehydrogenase activity. So guys, keep in mind, we have a very specific functional test for diagnosing the deficiency of thiamine, and that is diagnosing and measuring the transcutulase activity in erythrocytes. And by means of that, if the activity of this specific enzyme transcutulase is reduced in erythrocytes, we can say that the patient is having thiamine deficiency. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you, please smash the like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Catch you next time guys, stick around with FlyMedica.